This is AMS Protractor tips and tricks. In this video, we are going to talk about moving a vehicle to a different contact. If you have accidentally put a vehicle under the wrong contact, there is a quick and easy process to switch the vehicle over. Under the contact section on the top ribbon, find the vehicle that was misplaced. In our example, we put this vehicle under Jimmy Smith when it was supposed to go to John Smith. To move it to the right contact, we will start by double-clicking the vehicle we want to move. Then, under the top ribbon of this box, we want to click on the Move To button. Here we can search for the correct contact, in this example, John Smith, and select the contact from the drop-down. Then hit OK. It will then prompt you to put in a 4-digit code to make sure you meant to move this vehicle to a different contact. Once you put the code in and hit OK, the vehicle will now be under the correct contact.